So we got this 3406B and got some of the stuff stripped down off of it. We've got the new flywheel housing bolted up. That's the old one right there. We still have to change the front motor mount and plug some holes on the oil cooler on the other side. I've taken and turned all the connections on the lift pump around and all the connections on the injection pump around, and I've relocated the fuel filter housing and primer pump. This is set up just like my 95, so we're doing it like Kenworth. We have to source this bracket here. This is like a fast idle bracket for the truck that it came out of. That will get eliminated. And we'll plug this dipstick hole and open the dipstick hole on the other side and use the dipstick off of the E model. Probably gonna have to get some power steering hoses made up, and we'll definitely have to get some fuel hoses made up. This one here goes up here. This one goes down to here, and this one goes to the frame mounted filter over here somewhere. So work on all that, but right now what we're doing is we're prepping the hood for removal, so we can take the hood off, and then we'll unhook the sleeper from the cab and remove the sleeper, and then remove the cab.
He always leaves 2 thumbs up.
Well, tell him, because he didn't hear you. I didn't have it on.
Oh, snake bite. He always leaves 2 thumbs up.
So Boots is over here, and she's stripping the frame, all the hoses and wiring off the frame. And then we're going to get over here and make some measurements for the new cab mounts.
I tell you what, this drill has been amazing for free.
So we'll get that ready and figure out what we're going to do about cab mounts, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, we're going to turn these fuel tanks around to get the fuel fillers behind the sleeper. And
Cool.
then we'll see what we got. We're about ready to put the test fit the motor, but I want to hit this frame one more time on the pressure washer and get where I couldn't get with the engine in here. So once we get it stripped down and all the wiring and hoses are removed, then we'll come back and pressure wash one more time and try to get all the gunk off of there so we can do a mock-up.
Alright, you 2 set your end down. Now help me let mine down. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. I might.
You stinker.
Come here. Alright. So,
You're gonna get hurt.
stink.
Bumper off next.
Yeah, we can pull it off. Yeah, out the way. Got a little mechanical valve on the radiator here. It's froze up.
Okay, so here we are again. Christopher's on the controls.
Get on the other side.
Come here. Come here, Benjamin.
Oh, sure. I just got the whole front. Stop. Scott, walk forward.
Who?
You walk forward. The way you're facing is forward. Benjamin, Jeremiah, pick it up off the tire. There you go. Now, everybody walk toward me. Hey, Mama,
Yes.
run over here and grab this strap on the firewall.
Strap on the
Clean
firewall.
strap,
On this
firewall.
side, baby.
Got it. And
Pull it off.
In the hole, see it? Right there.
Get the strap out of the way.
Alright, so we got the front end off of this thing. And we got all the cab mounts broke loose. And we got one sleeper mount so far broke loose. Working on trying to get it unhooked, and we'll get it all off of here. Got the sleeper lights off this side so we can see what we're doing. We got 2 sleeper mounts right there. Ouch. Ouch. For you guys that have worked on old cars, you can imagine a car, 120,000 miles, whatever, and 50 years old. Well, this has probably got millions of miles and 50 years old, so.
Hey, there ain't no kids watching your channel. At least half of them got 1,000,000 miles on a truck.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
If you look over there, you see that blue light pointing down? Somebody had some underglow on this thing years ago. So we're getting there. Like I said, we got all the cab mounts loose. And we unhooked the boot ring, so won't be much longer. Have this thing off of this chassis, and we can set her on the other one and see how it's all gonna mock up. So y'all hang with us and we'll show you